Alright guys, so here's Mountain Lion, as I'm going to be installing it in a virtual machine right now. It's the developer preview. So this is when you first get your new Mac, turn it on. This is what it's going to be like. You're going to have, so I'm using English for the main language. So next, hit reinstall OS X. Now, I mentioned in my other video that it's no longer called Mac OS X. So, also, you're not going to see this if you first get a Mac. So, there we go. I agree. I would like to install it on a virtual machine drive. So, as you can see, it's very similar, the window and everything, very similar to Loin. So, as I said before in my other video, it's not it's not a big change from Loin to Mountain Lion. It would be a big change if you went from leopard to lion. Okay, that's a pretty big change right there. Alright, because you have gestures in lion now. So, yeah, it says 5 minutes remaining. It's pretty fast for an operating system. But also says install Mountain Lion Developer Preview 1. I did not name my ISO that or anything, so there probably is another developer preview coming out here. That's probably why. Otherwise, why would they give it the number 1? I don't know. So that's something. That's just something. So I'll be done when this is installing. Done installing. It says 5 minutes, but it's probably not gonna be 5 minutes. So I'll be back when it's done installing, and I'll show you guys around the operating system. Alright, so it finally finished installing. So yeah, so you're prompted with this screen, and down here this looks new. I guess this is for if you are blind, which is pretty cool, because you can't really use a computer if you're blind. So I'm gonna hit US, turn my keyboard on, should be already on. Hit continue because US. Not now. We'll do this. And as you can see, right when I do this, right when I fill everything out, and when you see the desktop of the new operating system, it's going to be I agree. It's going to be set up. It's going all of my stuff is going to be synchronized. So okay, so gotta verify my password. Forgot to do that. Okay, so it's really laggy, I have to say, in the operating system. I've tried it before. The day it was released, I was planning to make a video, but I was sick that day. So alright, my time zone is New York. No, I don't live in Japan. New York. Yes. Next, start using OS X. So, alright, here it goes. I don't think it did ask me for my, alright, it's glitching a little. There we go. Now this is Mac OS X Lion. Now it has the, hold on, it's loading everything. The bar didn't load, it's still over here. So, it has the new Lion background, which is like Galaxy, I think it is. I don't know what the old one was, but as you can see, it's very laggy right now. That just loaded up. So this was the original Lion wallpaper. This is something Ad Norman Log Galaxy. This is the new one. So Alright, so in different, let's look at system preferences right now. So we'll look at security and privacy because I think gatekeeper should be here, but it really doesn't look like there's no gatekeeper sign or anything, but it does look a little different than the regular Lion way. Ink is also new. Forgot what it did. Oh yes, you can actually write stuff. So it's pretty cool. Hold on, let me try this on. Okay. Draws a little notepad and you can draw stuff. I'm using my trackpad. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. I wouldn't use it though. Everything in here really looks the same. So startup disk, notifications. This is new, as you can see. You can have it as calendar alert style, banners, alerts. I'm gonna put banner because I like the banners. I like the banners here. I like the banners. So yeah, show 5 recent things, play sound. Yep. So that's notification center in the settings. So let's test everything out. They also added a dashboard icon. They got rid of the expose icon. Oopsie. Can't use my gestures. I forgot. So, over here, Spotlight has been moved over, as you can see, and been replaced with this. This is your notification center right here.